Alright, hello everybody, my name is Mayo and welcome back to... This is the next day of filming. A little troubleshooting, but, and excuse my voice, I am sick, I think, at the moment, so if I sound nasally and congested, that's the reason why, because I am a little sick at the moment. But I'm also not only sick physically, but I'm sick as in wicked. I'm wicked sick. I'm awesome. I'm radical, dude. Anyway, so I did make a video last night, but I didn't get far because I had to do shit and it took forever. So, basically to get to this screen, what you're gonna do is you're gonna boot up your computer. And I got my Razer, not a Chroma. I could have plugged in my Corsair, but nah, it's that, and I just don't want to deal with it. But anywho, what you're gonna do is you're gonna take a flash drive. It has to be at least 8 gigabytes in size. Go to your main computer, and then plug in your flash drive, and then download Windows 10 onto said flash drive. And then once you boot up, the PC, you're gonna plug the flash drive in back there, the motherboard I/O, or up to the top here. Let me just move this out of the way. Wait, hold on. Grip strength coming through. Or just plug it into the top of your PC. And then boot it up, and you will be here at the Windows setup screen. So, this is very self-explanatory. It's just setting up Windows and selecting the boot drive you want it to be on. So, let's go through the Windows setup. And all you need is a keyboard, I'm pretty sure. I don't think you need a mouse. Among Us! So, let's just run through the Windows setup. So, English, wait, yeah, okay, next. Install. Yes. Wait. There we go. Yes. Setup is starting. And then it's going to download Windows from your flash drive onto, yeah, you might need a mouse, because I don't want to. Yeah, for this, if you have a product key, you can punch it in. But for this one, don't have a product key. You don't need one. You don't need one. Windows 10 Home, that's what we're going for. That one right there. And then accept the license terms, because I agree. Wait a minute. Hold on, let me grab a mouse real quick. I thought you could just do it with the keyboard. Nope, we need a mouse. So let me grab a mouse real quick. Out of my plethora of mice collections. That's a monkey. Ah! I got the cats. Oh shit! Oh god damn it! Ah. I got the cats merch. I got the cats hat, and I got the cats jersey. Go cats! And here's a monkey. Oh, we don't talk about that. Out of battery. Perfect. Love this mouse. The good old Logitech G203. Used this mouse a lot back in the day. It's been through a lot. But it's a great mouse and still holds up to this day. Love it. It's one of my favorites. Alright. So let me plug her in. And we shall get started. One sec. Alright, so now we have our mouse connected. And let me just go back. Make sure I didn't misclick anything. Don't have product key. Windows 10 Home. Accept license terms. Custom install. Upgrade install. Wait, what? Oh yeah, just do that. Wait, hold on one second. Oh, right. Shit. Hold on. I accept. Custom install. We're gonna go for this drive because this is our SSD. We want our SSD to be the boot drive, so it boots up nice and quickly. Copying files. Getting ready. Bada boom, bada bing, bada boom. That's some good water. I don't know how long this is going to take. It might take a while, so I'll be right back whenever this is finished. Alright, so just got started finishing up, and ASRock. Woo. Um, you can go in the bios if you want. I'm choosing not to right now. And we should be loading into Windows right about now. If everything goes according to plan, we should be loading into Windows now, hopefully. Fingers crossed. I got mine. Oh, what's the thing you do? They do in Korea, like the heart or whatever. You go like this, and yeah, I don't know, some shit like that. I don't know why, but just doing this reminded me of that. I don't know, whatever. Getting ready. Oh yeah, get ready. Get ready because we're about to go on a trip. Where to? I don't know. A trip to Windows 10. Oh, I'm tired. I don't know how long it's gonna take. I'll be right back whenever it's ready. Okay, well, it just got done. And it should be going into Windows about now, hopefully. Come on. Come on, man. And there we go. We are in Windows 10. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you install Windows 10 onto a PC. Very simple. Okay, so now we need to just do this. Yep, I live in the United States. Is keyboard layout US? Yes. When I say keyboard layout? Oh, thank you. I think I'll skip that. Oh, I don't have internet for now. I'll get. You can either. I'm sure you know how to hook it up. You could just. That's my foot. Let me move that out of the way, so you guys can. Who fucking cares? So you could either plug in Ethernet. You could hardwire it, or you could get a Wi-Fi adapter. Or if your motherboard has Wi-Fi things on it, you could just screw them on. This one doesn't, but I'll buy a Wi-Fi adapter. Wait, what's this? Oh. Oh, no. I'm good. Who's gonna use this PC? Ooh, that's a good question. My grandparents are gonna use it, so I don't know whose name to put down. I'll think of something clever. I don't know. Oh, I know. I'll use my grandparents' names. 1 second. I don't want to show their names. And the password. Well, I'm gonna give them a password. What password will it be? Let me think of a password I should give to them. I got it. Corvette 34. Oh yeah. Bada boom. That's also a legendary rocket launcher from Borderlands. Security question. Nigga, I don't care. It's required. Oh, 1 second, I'll be right back. Well, Microsoft's a pain in the ass. Anyway. Location, diagnostic data, tailored experiences, blah blah blah. Sure. No. We don't want Cortana just yet. Hi. Hello. We're getting everything ready for you. I know you are. This might take several minutes. Well, shit. I'll be right back. Almost there. And boom, here we are. The Windows 10 desktop. Ta-da. Alright, so, yeah. Here we are. So, that's all I really have to say, honestly. The computer's ready to go to my grandparents. I'll just do a few more. I'll just do a little more. What's it called? Benchmarks. What's it called? Whatever. I'll just have to do a few more tests on it and see what's up with it, and then I'll give it to them. So yeah, that is how you build and successfully. Let's go into a task manager real quick. CPU is at 100% usage. Wow. Okay. Okay, now it's not. Thank God. Okay. So there's our 16 gigs of RAM. There's our CPU, our i3. Here's our disks. And yeah. So that is how you successfully build a computer. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to leave a like on it if you enjoyed, subscribe and whatnot, and hit the bell so you don't miss a single upload or live stream. And I hope this horrible ghetto-ass 3-part series videos actually helped you learn something and maybe help you build a PC of your own one day. So, yeah. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out, everybody. Bye.